Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of probe sonicator. 1. During installation, check power supply at the customer's end. It should be AC to 20 volt 50 Hz. 2. The working environment should be less than 40 degrees Celsius and protected from sunlight, with no moisture or dust in the room. 3. The beaker placed in the soundproof enclosure should be centered. 4. The probe should not touch the bottom or sides of the beaker. 5. Ensure the proper selection of the probe, matching the probe number on the display and rear panel. 6. The transducer connector should be inserted into the instrument socket according to the pin direction. 7. When replacing the probe in the transducer, tighten it properly. 8. The set temperature should be greater than room temperature, otherwise, the machine will not run. 9. Select the probe based on the process capacity and power ratio. 10. Do not start the machine if the probe is not inserted into the liquid. 11. Power selection should match the probe diameter and volume. 12. The temperature sensor should not touch the probe, titanium alloy. 13. For small volume samples, below 5 milliliters, keep the sample in a small tube with ice to avoid extra heat during sonication. 14. Dip the probe in the sample to the right depth to avoid excessive foaming. 15. Clean the probe with 80% VV ethanol and wipe it with a soft tissue paper. 16. Ensure proper earthing. 17. Use a stabilizer for better results and a longer lifespan of the instrument. Thank you.